Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to join party in Valorant. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go and open your Riot Games and then log into your account and launch Valorant. After that, I will show you the different ways of like joining the party and etc. or creating your own party. So, first of all, if you wanted to join another player party, you will need first to have the player as your friend. So, for example, here I want to join, for example, these guys queue. So, what I'm going to do is click on them or any one of them. So, I will click right to them. And then, as you can see here, send message, view career, invite, and request to join. Basically, if I request to join and they accept my request, I will be joining their party. Now, how can I make my own party? So it's pretty simple. You just have to go to the first page that opens when you open Valorant and then click on play. As you can see here, you just have to change it to unrated or competitive or any mode, and that's it. Like this is your party game. So here you can, as you can see here, you can close the party, you can like open the party. So the difference between open party and closed party, the open party, like here as you saw here, there is a request to join, but if the guy got open party like that, I will have the option which is join the party instead of request to join. So his party now is actually closed, which is something like that. Well, the second thing, in case you wanted to invite anyone to the party, you can just click here and then go and click invite and they will be in your party. Also guys, I highly suggest that you play with other people in your party because they give you bonus XP for each person. For example, I invited 4 people, I will have 40% XP bonus in the game. And just another information for you guys, if you wanted to hide your or like to hide your level etc, you can hide it from here from your party. So you just have to go here and you can go to level borders and hide it from here. And other thing, which is talking inside the party, if you wanted to talk inside the party itself with your friends, you will just have to click on this icon here which is at the bottom of your rank, and then here you will find party voice chat. If it is off, make it on. Here you can make it push to talk or automatic. Here the key of push to talk, and here the party voice during custom game. After that, click on save, and that's it. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you learned something, and if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section. And yeah guys, that was it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.